All right, so you might be wondering, why should we use bullets and fascinations in the first place? And in this part of the course, we're going to see exactly what are the benefits of having great bullets and fascinations. Now, the first benefit is that bullets and fascinations powerfully simulate curiosity and intrigue. And we all know that if somebody reading through your content is not curious enough or is not intrigued by your content, chances are your content will get boring after a while and they will just divert from it and close the window and go and look for something else, which is exactly what you don't want to happen. You want to keep the user engaged as much as possible with your content so that they read more and more in order for them to get to the bottom of the sales funnel, which is to take an action. Now, this one of the benefits of having great bullets and fascinations is the fact that they seduce your prospect to read and read and read. Now, the importance that this has is the more a person reads your blog or your article or your landing page, the more he is engaged, the more time he spends there, the higher the chances of that person converting into an actual action. Now, among the things that, of course, great bullets and fascinations contribute to is they build desire little by little by creating the urge to know the secret your bullet promises to reveal. Now, one of the mistakes that people can do is that they reveal the secret right away, and that's a mistake. You should never reveal the secret right away, but rather use great bullets and fascinations to keep the person hooked all along while never disclosing what the secret is. You need to keep them engaged. You need to keep them reading for as long as possible without ever pointing out the solution. Because what you want that reader to read and to be curious and to, you need to build that curiosity for whatever solution that you're going to propose next. Now, what bullets and fascinations also allow you to do is they allow you to seize your prospect's attention and keep them zooming through the copy for for a longer time, for a more considerable time, which is pretty good. Now, you can also, using great bullets and fascinations, make your sales message more readable. People will get tired if all your paragraph or if all your sales landing page is paragraphs. Now, paragraphs are quite boring because they're voluminous and because there's a lot to read, and people, generally speaking, they like variety. So, by offering great bullets and fascinations, you offer a variety to your readers and they never get bored, which in return boosts the readability of your sales or your landing page. Now, also, among the other benefits is that bullets and fascinations pump up your promotions with more variety, and they prevent what we just talked about, which is the boredom, or they prevent the disastrous flat benefit syndrome. Now, what the flat benefit syndrome is the stage where viewers or readers actually start to get bored. You want to prevent that as much as possible. You want to keep the viewer or the reader hooked on the content. You want to keep them interested in reading more and reading more and reading more. Now, among the other benefits, of course, of having great bullets and fascinations incorporated in your copy is the crush headline blog instantly delivering a wealth of fantastic headline possibilities and much, much more. Now, these are just the some of the benefits of having great bullets and fascinations. Of course, there are a lot of more other benefits to this, but to sum this up, I think that we just skimmed most of the most important benefits of having great bullets and fascinations in your copy.